Protecting properties could mean allowing fewer buildings to be built in fire zones.
Today, California's top law enforcement officer announced guidelines that could change where new construction goes up. Fox 40's Karma Dickerson joining us now to break down what cities and counties should be taking into consideration. Karma.
Well, Attorney General Rob Bonta was in San Diego today to announce those new guidelines, and those recommendations add to the growing call to be more particular about where and how we build.
When looking for a place to live,
are there good schools nearby? Are there good parks nearby?
We know the common questions buyers and renters often ask.
But when house hunting and apartment searching, there are other questions that might not immediately get asked, but they are critical ones, like how likely is this home to burn up in flames tomorrow?
But increasingly, researchers, policymakers, and today law enforcement, by way of Attorney General Rob Bonta, are stressing the need to consider fire resiliency as well. And he's not alone. Rethinking how and if we should build in the areas where woodland meets communities is vital, according to researchers like Karen Chappell, a professor of city and regional planning at UC Berkeley. Chappell recently authored a study on rebuilding after catastrophic wildfires.
Large private lots that are nestled into the forest, that's not going to work in the future. And we're going to have to be rescuing those communities time after time.
California Attorney General Rob Bonta issued new guidance Monday for local governments considering new developments in fire zones. As part of the California Environmental Quality Act, officials must evaluate the potential effects of wildfires when deciding things like project density. That's how spread out a development will be.
Relying on higher density infill developments as much as possible.
Bonta wants local governments to limit development along steep slopes and in rugged terrain. Also, ensure proper water supply.
Consider requiring on-site water supply or storage.
Additionally, evacuation and emergency access. Building should happen near roads, and new roads should be built to help potential evacuations if necessary. Hardening homes is another guideline.
Require developers to upgrade building materials and use installation techniques to increase the development's resistance to heat, to flames, and to embers.
And in some cases, those guidelines actually go beyond what Attorney General Bonta was pointing out, so they go beyond what's in existing building codes. So we're going to have a list of those full guidelines on our website, fox40.com.